If you work with sheet metal, I'm sure you're familiar with bend allowance and the many different ways of calculating or estimating the developed length. SOLIDWORKS now allows you to define equations for calculating the developed length through a bend calculation table. Some designers prefer using this method because it takes more parameters into consideration. You define angular ranges and assign equations to them, allowing you to achieve more accurate results since each range has its own independent equation and not a global one. If you browse to your default sheet metal bend table folder, you'll see that SOLIDWORKS provides you with the sample bend calculation table. Remember that this is just a sample and cannot be universally used. You must define your own equations to fit your design. I'll open the sample table, and you can see that it's fairly simple. If you need help understanding what the different variables stand for, I recommend going to the SOLIDWORKS help file and searching for bend calculation tables. SOLIDWORKS provides the sample table with an explanation of all the options and variables. There are also helpful diagrams depicting the different angular ranges used in the table. Now remember, this is just a sample, and you can create as many angular ranges as you need in order to have the most accurate results. Once you've created your own bend calculation table, in the Sheet Metal Property Manager, under Bend Allowance, choose Bend Calculation, and browse for your table.